guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Moli and welcome to another exciting episode where I'm gonna be sharing my this look which I'm already in, and I'm gonna call it this brown fall makeup look. As you can see, the eyes are brown, there is so much of contouring and bronzing and brown lips. So I freaking in love this look and I really like how it actually came out. So if you are interested how I have got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with this primer, this is from Color Bar, and I have already prepped up my skin with the moisturizer and serum and stuff. So firstly I'm going to apply this primer on my T-zone and then I'm going to spread it all over on my face. After that I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is a little bit yellow undertone foundation and I need this particular foundation for today's look because it will give a little bit of brownish, yellowish finish. So that's why, and I'm blending it all over on my face with the Beauty Blender. Now it's time to conceal, and for concealer I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm placing this on the bridge of the nose, under eye portion and middle portion of my two eyebrows and also on the mouth area, and after that I'm blending it with the same dry Beauty Blender. For eyebrows, today I'm taking this Fashion Brow Pencil from Maybelline. It has two sides. One side is the pencil, another side is the sponge tip. So firstly, I am filling my sparse areas with the help of the pencil and I'm going in upward motion in vertical way. So firstly, I will be filling in the sparse areas, the gaps and the imperfection. To make my eyebrows look more sharp, here I am using the concealer on the edges of my eyebrows, and after that I will be blending it with the same Beauty Blender which I have used for the foundation. Today I will be doing the contouring and bronzing both. So firstly here I am taking the Miss Rose contouring palette and I am contouring my face today really well because I need that brownish look on my face. So that's why I am just going upward motion, and it is a cream contouring, and I am placing it with the same Beauty Blender which I have used for the concealer and foundation, and I am applying it all over on my forehead area, also on my chin area. Also, as you can see, I am doing the nose contouring and you can just see how prominent it is looking right now. There is so much of contouring. Now let's move on to the bronzing. I am taking this MAC bronzer in the shade Matte Bronze. Now it's time for a translucent powder. Here I'm taking Stay Quirky translucent powder and I'm placing this just beneath my contouring with the help of a sponge, and I'm just making my contouring look more sharp. So that's why I'm placing it with the help of the sponge, and after that I'm blending it with the brush. I'm placing it on the underneath of my eyes as well, and after that I'm blending it with the same brush. So as you know that it's going to be a brown look, that's why I'm taking this MAC blush in the shade Raisin. It's a beautiful wine undertone blush and I'm applying this on my apple of the cheeks. I'm also placing a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. And now it's time to move on to the eyes. Here I'm taking this Wet n Wild Rosé in the palette and I have taken this beautiful transition brownish shade and I'm placing this on the crease line, And after that I'm mixing up these two brown shade. One is warm brown, another one is a very deep brown, and I'm placing this on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid, and I'm slowly blending it with the crease. Next, with the small blending brush, I am picking up this only warm brown shade and I am placing it on the lower lash line. Now picking up this very shimmery brown shade. It's a very shimmery, and the pigmentation and the color payoff is very beautiful, and when you apply it with the help of your fingertip, it makes everything more beautiful. So that's what I'm doing. I'm placing it with the help of my fingertip. Now it's time to highlight the inner corner. For that I'm picking up this very beautiful golden undertone highlighter shade which is available in the palette, and I'm placing it on the inner corner as well as on the brow bone. After that I am tight lining my waterline with the Cosmic Kajal. It's a very beautiful and affordable kajal, and I'm also tight lining my upper waterline. Now I'm just curling my lashes with the eyelash curler, and after that I'm taking this Lakme Flutter Secrets volumizing mascara. It's a very beautiful mascara and it's also waterproof as well. So I'm just coating my lashes with this because I will not be using any type of falsies, because for regular use we don't use really falsies. For highlighter I'm taking this Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter, and I am just highlighting my usual places like bridge of the nose, tip of my nose and cupid's bow, and starting point of my eyebrows and apple of the cheeks. After that I'm taking this Stay Quirky nude undertoned lipstick and I'm applying this. It's a very affordable lipstick, so I think you should give it a try, although it's a drier side lipstick. So I will not prefer this for the drier side lips people. Lastly, to set the whole makeup for the day, I'm using this Color Bar Fixing Spray, and I have cut my eyebrows for this look because it is really trending right now, and I have used the flat shader brush, and this is my final look. So with that, my final finished look is here, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, also share it with your friends and family, and before skipping this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'm new in this field, I need your support, guys, and yeah, I will see you soon with a brand new one. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye bye.